Hello kids, welcome back to Maths online class. In this class, we are going to revise Unit 4. Before starting the class, make sure that you have Maths workbook, notebook, pencil and eraser with you. I give you 5 seconds. Your time starts now. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, are you ready? Okay, fine. Now, let us try to understand meaning of some words. What is a line? Tell me what is a line? Line has no thickness and it extends indefinitely in the both direction. You can extend a line indefinitely in the both direction. You can increase from here also, you can increase from here also, and it is straight, it has no bend. So we call this as a line. I mark AB. Line AB. This is line. Now, what is line segment? What is line segment? A line segment is a part of the line. It is straight with no bend and it has two endpoints, C, D. This is the line segment. It has two endpoints. So this is line segment C, D. It is a part of the line which has two endpoints. You write line segment C, D like this. So you understand what is a line? A line is straight without bend and it can extend indefinitely in both the direction, whereas line segment is a part of the line. Line segment is the part of the line which has two endpoints. It has two endpoints. A line segment has two endpoints. We call this as line segment. Line segment. So you understand what is a line? A line has no thickness and it can extend indefinitely in both directions. So here this is a line AB. Now line segment, it is a part of the line and it is also straight with no bends and it has two endpoints. Here CD is the line segment. We can write CD like this. Now we are going to start our lesson. Before starting, now tell me, this is coin. Okay, so this is bangle and this one is plate and it has all has circular shape. What is the shape of these things? It has circular shape. So today we are going to learn about circle. We are going to learn about circle. This is the circle. It is a round figure. It is a plane figure and it has one center. Here O is the center. A circle and it is equidistant from here to here. It is equidistant. The distance is equal. This is the center. Now this this is this this is called the circumference of the circle. We call the circumference of the circle. The total length of the circle is called the circumference of the circle. What we call circumference. Circumference. So the total length around the circle is called the circumference. We call the circumference. Now, if a line segment joined from any two points on the circumference, if a line segment join any two points on the circumference, like this is AB. AB is the chord. Any line which is joining on the circumference is two. It touches the two sides of the circumference. So this is called chord. CD is the chord. This is the center of the circle. The center of the circle from where we can draw the circle. This is the center. If we draw a straight line from here and it cuts the circumference, then this is called radius. OR. OR is the radius of the circle. OR is the radius of the circle. Now here I am drawing this line PQ. PQ, this is also chord, but it is passing through the center of the circle. This is chord and it is the longest chord. The longest chord of the circle is called the diameter. What you call? Diameter. What is chord, children? A line segment that joins any 2 points on the circumference is called the chord. So this is AB, CD, PQ is also chord, but we have different name for this because it is the longest chord of the circle. So we called it as a diameter. Now radius. This is the radius. From the center to joining any point on the circumference is the radius. Here O, R, O, P, these are the radius. So OP and OQ is also radius. So from here what we see that OP and OQ is equal and PQ is the diameter. So we can say that diameter is equal to double of the radius, twice radius. You can write diameter is equal to twice of the radius. Understand? So what we have learned over here, that the total length of the circle is called the circumference. The total length of the circle is called the circumference, and a line segment joining any 2 points on the circumference is called the chord. Like here AB is the chord. Anywhere if it is joined from here to here, this is also chord. Okay, I am giving name and length. So a line segment which joins any 2 points on the circumference is called the chord. Now PQ is also chord and it is passing through the center and it is the longest chord. So we have a different name for this chord. We call it as a diameter. Diameter always passes through the center of the circle. We have to remember that diameter always passing through the center of the circle. Now from the center to any line segment joining from the center to any point on the circumference is called the radius. Is called the radius, and we have seen that this is also radius. OP is also the radius. We have seen that OP and OQ, these are equal, and it is OP, it is the radius, and double of the radius is the diameter. Diameter is equal to twice radius. This much you understand. Now take up your maths workbook, question number 1. This workbook you take out. Question number 1. Measure the circumference of the following circles with the help of thread and scale. So what you have to do, measure the circumference of the following circle using thread and a ruler. Ruler means this one. We call this one as a ruler, and thread you have to take. So I'll draw another circle. See this question again. Measure the circumference of the following circle using a thread and a ruler. You have to measure circumference. So I told you what is a circumference. Circumference is the total length along this circle. It is called the circumference. This total length of the circle is called the circumference. You have to measure with the help of thread and a ruler. So ruler I have taken and this is the thread. Let us see how we will measure this one. I am marking one point here. I will start from here. Okay. Then you keep the thread like this. I have taken thread, so you keep it over here, and slowly you go around this circle. Can you see how I am doing? So I have measured the total length of the circle with the help of thread. Now this is the length of the circle, not circle, that is circumference. I will cut it. Now my circle is quite big, so it is this much long thread. I have to measure it with the help of ruler. So I'll put it over here at the point 0. I'll start from 0 and it is 15 centimeter, then 30, then 45, then 45 plus 8, 45 and 8, 55, 53. So this circle is quite big, so length is very big. It is 53 centimeter. This is how we are going to measure the length of the circumference of a circle. This is how we are going to measure the length of the circumference of the circle. So you place the thread over here and you mark it with one pencil, and afterwards you bring it along the circumference, and then till here it will be reaching, and then you take a ruler and you measure the length and you write the length over here. This also same. Now next question, page number 73, worksheet 2. Identify which of the following segments are chord and which are not. Look at the question again. Identify which of the following line segments are chords and which are not. So what is a line segment? A line segment is a part of the line which has two endpoints. Okay, I have told you before, a line segment is a part of the line which has two endpoints. So which of the following line segments are chords? What is chord? Chord means a line segment which joins 2 points on the circumference. Which join 2 points on the circumference. We join 2 points on the circumference, that is chord. So you have to identify in this picture, in this figure, you have to identify which is chord and which are not chord. So let us see in this picture which are chord and which are not chord. Now see here, chord is AO. It is not chord because it is not joining any 2 points on the circumference. So AO is not chord. AB, yes, it is chord because it is joining on the 2 points on the circumference. Here one, here one. So AB is the chord. Right here AB, chord AB. Now CE. CE is also a chord because it is joining 2 points on the circumference. So CE is the chord. Then next write CE. Then GF or FG. FG or GF. This is also chord because it is joining on the 2 points on the circumference. So FG is also chord, right? FG. So these are chord. AB, Write AB, C, E and FG. Now note code. Which are the line segment are not code? Here AO is not code. Write AO. And OB is also not code. Right? OB. Understand? Now see another picture. This is figure B. Here also you have to identify the codes and write here, and which are not codes you have to write here. Here which are the codes? DF. It is code. So write here DF. A E is also code. So write here A E because it is joining 2 points on the circumference, so it is passing from the center of the circle. And which are not code? CB is not code. CB because it is not joining the 2 lines on the circumference, and CA is also not code. CA is also not code. So code is DF and AE, and CB and CA is not code. So write it here. You have to do in your workbook. Now next question is, see the next question. Write the names of the code in the given figure. Here you have to do on your own as a homework. You have to write the name of the code. See the picture and you have to write the name of the code. Here first one CD is the code, AB is the code, you write it over here. Here also PQ is the code and QR is the code, you write it here. Here also you have to write the codes. XY is the code, then YZ is the code. Here LM is the code, NS is the code. Here you don't have to write which is not code, only you have to write the codes. Here they have drawn codes, you have to write the codes. So children, for today what we have learned? Circle. Circle is a plain round figure, and all the points on the circle it is equidistant from the center. Then we have learned about circumference. What is circumference? It is the length of the circle. Total length of the circle is called the circumference. Total length of the circle is called the circumference. What is chord? Chord is a line segment which joins any 2 points on the circle. Then diameter. Diameter is the longest chord and it passes through the center of the circle and it is twice of the radius. Then radius. What is radius? Radius is from the center to a line segment which joins from the center to the circumference. We call it as a radius, and it is half of the diameter. So children, for today this much only. Thank you very much.